DUS Solar Lightweight Framed Module utilizes glass-free encapsulation technology, weighs only 4.7 kilograms per square meter, reducing weight by over 50% compared to conventional modules. The patented frame design enhances the structural integrity, and custom framing processes ensure excellent load-bearing capacity. The module's load performance has been upgraded, meeting IEC requirements for snow load of 5,400 pascals and wind load of 2,400 pascals, with only a 2.48% power degradation after testing. The surface material of the module reduces glossiness by 90%, minimizing glare and light pollution at project sites. The front panel of the module is resistant to UV aging, showing less than 2% power degradation after undergoing 2 times the IEC UV test. DUS Solar's lightweight framed module adopts a conventional aluminum alloy frame design, with installation methods consistent with conventional modules, ensuring easy installation and low maintenance costs. The modules can be applied to various building roofs, harmoniously coexisting with the environment. DUS Solar Lightweight Module, reducing the load on roofs and enhancing efficiency for the future. DUS Solar, light up your life.